All right, today we're checking out this 24-volt Drift Car, and I have to admit it's pretty awesome right out the box. I'm
going fast mode.
Okay, I love that it has a real Go Kart. Go ahead. Look, instead of just looking like another ride-on toy, between racing, the seat, and the LED lights, the low-profile design definitely stands out. It was also mostly assembled, which is a huge plus because nobody wants to spend half the day putting the toys together before the kids can even ride it because they're just so excited. Woo! Let's look at him and see what he thinks. Keep going. Let's see what else you got. Right away, I noticed that the acceleration is really smooth. It has a 24-volt brushless motor, so it gets moving without feeling heavy. Whoa, that was a cool one. It has plenty of power for riding around and driving in the driveway or the parking lot. Keep going. We skipped the low speed and went right to high speed because he was very comfortable with it. The steering is really responsive too. He's only been driving it for a few days now, and he's already getting the hang of it and just super comfortable with it. So on higher speed, which is what he's been using this whole time, it's just been great. He was really amazed at how fun it was. It can reach almost 12 miles per hour, which is pretty fast. Plenty fast enough, I would say, to make it exciting without feeling out of control. Whoa, that was a good one. Did you like that one? Yeah, that's okay. Go ahead.
I'm on fast mode.
That's actually pretty cool. The rear caster wheels let it slide around really easy and smoothly. And once a kid figures it out, it's easy to start making those fun drifting turns just like that. That was a great one. Let me see it again. You can definitely tell this design is more a regular ride-on vehicle. One thing I really like is how low it sits to the ground. The lower center of gravity helps make it feel like more planted while turning. So it gives you a little more confidence watching your kids ride it, and you're not so worried about them like tipping over. Hey, Mark, get set, go. The high back in the racing seat keeps them from sitting comfortably. Nice, while still making those tight turns. Also some cool LED lights here in the front.
But how do you roll them out?
Well, we can't put them on right now because it's too light out. But the battery life is rated for around 40 to 60 minutes. Here's an up-close look at the cart. You got a cute little flag here that blows in the wind while you're going. The seat, it has an adjustable seat belt. As far as the weight goes, it says it's rated for up to 132 pounds, I believe. I actually rode on it myself, and I'm about 170. It actually did really good. I was able to drift as well on it myself. You're going to have the high and the low button features right here, power button, and then underneath here is where you're going to find the light. And because I have it on, you can already see the lights. Here's the wheels underneath and kind of what they look like, but the lights are going every time that you turn on the car. So if you just go ahead and turn it off, the lights will go off. So that is how you do that feature. So thanks for the company for sending me this to review.